Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel TechDoubts. If you are new here, I am Sivarama and daily we have got a something really exciting lineup for you. We will be covering increasing the system speed next method. Plus, I have got some tips, tricks to share with you along the way. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Also, leave a like if you are excited to learn about tech doubts. It really helps out the channel. And is always, I wanted to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, or let me know if you have ever struggling with any related topic. Okay, I love read your comments, so please give a comment. Okay, now let's jump into video.
Okay, let us start. First, click on Windows button. If you click here, then in search box itself, you need to type control, CONTROL, control panel, PANEL. You can click here. Okay, if you click here, you can get this window. In this window, uninstall a program option is there. You need to click this, and which softwares in here you're seeing the so many softwares. In that unnecessary softwares you need to remove it, means uninstall it. Here I am checking which software I am not using mostly. Yeah, this one I am not using, so I have selected. Then I wanted to click uninstall, and here it's showing, are you sure you wanted to delete anything? So you need to click yes. Okay, and again asking about remove this OK button. Yeah, it is removed, and I wanted to check it out. Is there any other softwares you wanted to remove or uninstall that one? So I have to select this one, second one. Yeah, this software. Yeah, this one. This is a recording software mostly. Yeah, I wanted to uninstall this one. Yeah, again asking about yes and click S button. If you click S, it will be asking about remove, and again asking about S. Okay.
Thanks again for watching, and as always, stay. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.